So what are tree pollen? These are cells that are needed to fertilize the trees. One of the common misconceptions is patients think they're allergic to brightly colored flowering plants, but usually brightly colored flowering plants do not put out pollen that are pollinated by wind. This is done more by insects. So most of the patients are allergic to plants which do not put out brightly colored flowers. Usually it's the plants that put out light, dry, and wind pollinated pollen that patients are allergic to. This is the reason why patients have more symptoms on dry, windy, and hot days, and less symptoms on rainy and cloudy days. So, what are the treatment options for allergies? There are three things to consider. One is environmental factors, two is medications, and three is allergy shots. By environmental factors, I mean how you can change the environment around you so that you're exposed less to the allergen in question. For example, in springtime, there are certain things that you can do to control the allergies better. One is not being outdoors, especially in the morning between 6 and 10 a.m. when the allergen counts are very high. Two is while mowing the grass, wearing a mask and taking a shower as soon as you're done working outdoors. Three is closing the windows while driving and also closing the windows while sleeping at night. These are a few things that you can undertake to minimize the exposure to tree pollen. The second step is medications. Now there are two major classes of medications that can be used for allergies. One is antihistamines like Claritin, Zyrtec, and Allegra, which are available over the counter. Two is nasal steroids like Flonase, Veramist, and Omnaris.